After the United States hastily withdrew from Afghanistan 1 year ago in disregard of its responsibilities and obligations, Afghanistan has been facing a worsening humanitarian crisis, economic depression and terrorist attacks. 11-year-old Elias and his elder brother have dropped out of school to work in the street since last month. However, their average income was less than 60 Afghanis a day. As poverty and unemployment rise across the country, the number of beggars in Afghanistan's capital Kabul grows every day. Some 3 million Afghan children have dropped out of school to earn money to support their families. The country is facing a non-reversible economic collapse. A frozen banking system and liquidity shortage mean as many as 80% of people are in debt. Assets worth more than $9 billion have been frozen by the United States as part of its sanctions against the new government.
امریکا په تیر شل کلن موجود حضور کې هم دلته بلکې وینې راوړې دي، مرګونه راوړې دي، دلته قیامتونه او تراژیدۍ خلق کړي.
During the 20-year war, the United States chose to fight terrorism according to its own geopolitical goals, which led to an increase in the number of terrorist organizations in Afghanistan.
تروریسم که اینها نام نهاده و اینها تعریف دارد که اگر اینها خواسته باشد یک گروه را تروریسم خطاب میکنند و اگر اینها خواسته باشد گروه را از تروریسم میکشد.